Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Tightwad Tuesday. So look at what we got. Got something planned. A really cheap meal that they ate in the Depression era. And this kept many people fed. And it was a survival meal. But listen, it can be good. It don't have to, just because it's a survival meal don't mean it's awful. So we've got us some little elbow noodles. We got us some corn, some beans, and some tomatoes here, and a pack of hot dogs. Now look at this. This is everything that I got. You see the total on that?
$5.52.
Yes, $5.52. So this is going to stretch really well. Now this is Hoover Stew, which originated back in the 1930s when good old President Hoover, he did some stuff, y'all, and they blamed him for the Depression, and thus the name Hoover Stew. So we will get started. Now you can use sausage in this. I did go with the hot dogs from Walmart. These were $1. So this is a good way to get your little meat in there for cheap. So can't get much cheaper than $1 for some type of meat. Like I said, you can use sausage, you can use whatever you want, but this is what the original recipe called for. Now, if you didn't have corn or beans or whatever, whatever was in their pantry, they would throw some green beans in there, just whatever you had on hand. You make do. That's exactly right. Listen, when you're desperate, during desperate times, honey, you just do what you got to do.
That's right.
To survive. So
we're gonna try to make it as good as we can.
That's right. Now I will say this: if you got an onion, you can add a little onion to it. But I'm not. I'm going to do it.
She's gonna keep it true to form.
I am. I'm going to keep it.
And we're not gonna be depressed. I think it's gonna be good. I ain't gonna be depressed.
We're going to try not to be
about it.
depressed.
No, we're gonna be positive.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So we are going to just take this little pack of hot dogs here, and I'm just going to cut them in a coin-like shape. I'm sure you can do them in whatever you want. The thinner you do them, the longer, the more you stretch it out. So you decide. You know how big your family is. But listen, is it fancy food? No. But is it filling? Yes, absolutely indeed. And
at the end of the day, we got to eat.
At the end of the day, honey,
and
it's about getting them bellies filled.
That's what this series is about.
Yes.
Doing it on a budget. Mm-hmm. And a lot of people out there are struggling.
Come back.
So if you're able to do it for $5,
yes.
if you can feed your family on $5,
that's exactly right.
That's why we're doing this.
That's a win. So. That is a win. And you never know how bad things will get. Even us right now, honey, we're in the middle of a storm. It's just snowing outside.
It is coming down.
And, you might not can get to the grocery store and get anything. And so it's good to have these little recipes just so that you can survive if you need to.
That's right.
So I've got these little hot dogs cut up here. Y'all, I got the sniffles. I done rubbed my nose until...
we both do.
Yes, I done rubbed my nose till it's red, looking like Rudolph, honey.
I done been to the doctor this week and got me some antibiotics. Yes. I'm hoping it's going to get rid of it. Y'all, I've been battling this stuff. This is my third round of antibiotics this winter with this stuff. I don't know, man.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to eat some stew and be happy.
No, we are. Hopefully
so let's get this. Let's get to cooking this. All right, y'all, I did go ahead and cook my little noodles. I had elbow noodles. Now, I went ahead and did the whole box. Now, if I don't use all these, honey, I'll be making me some tuna pasta or some kind of something with it. I love me some noodles of any kind. But I'm letting my pot get hot. Now, the only thing I did with these noodles, remember this? I bought this at the Dollar Tree. The garlic pepper.
A couple weeks ago.
Yep. For the first Dollar Tree meal. And the only thing I did was season that because you want to have salt at least in your pasta anytime you cook it. So, I don't have oil in the pan. I don't have any butter. I do have some oil if I really need it that I got the first time too, but we gonna try to do it without. We gonna go strictly by the ingredients that I have. So I'm just going to use this. How about that? The little noodles. We just gonna give this a stir. If it starts to sticken, I'm gonna add some of this little tomato juice in there or something. We'll get it done. But this browning it just a little bit will bring the flavor out. I'm going to add just a little drop of this tomato juice in there because I don't want them to do too bad. Woo! But we're just gonna get these pretty much warm through before we start doing this. And like I said, if you want to put some oil, if you want to put a little piece of butter, and even an onion is when I would put that onion in right now too with these little hot dogs. We're gonna do what we can do, honey. These little hot dogs didn't know they was gonna be like stew meat today.
No, we're making them a star.
Yes, absolutely. All right, my pot's getting really hot on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little tomatoes in. Now I went with the Italian style stewed tomatoes, and the reason I did that is just for more flavor. It's got just a little bit of sweetness in that. And I was going to put them in the food processor and chop them up, but we'll just do it right here in the pan. All this little juice is just going to get all those little bits and stuff right off the bottom. Now we're going to put in our little canned corn, some little sweet corn there. And I've got pinto beans. And this is a good protein too, y'all. Beans.
And a filler.
That's what I'm saying. Beans is a great filler. It really is. And all these little things together is going to fill you right up.
Man,
I can see why they made this.
Yeah, it goes a long way.
It really does.
Yeah.
And for people that wasn't working then, they said that soup kitchens would just make big, huge vats
pots. I could
and
see it.
share
Yeah, I could see it.
with the neighborhood. But I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit, and then we're going to add our little noodles and call it a day. All right, y'all. It's that time. A little tasting time.
Tasting time.
Tasting time. Russell's up.
Hoover Stew.
Hoover Stew, $5.52 stew. And I had left over probably half a box of that pasta. So I just let it cook down till it thickened up a little bit.
That's good.
How about that?
Yeah.
Honey, if you was hungry anyway.
I'm going to tell you now, I am hungry. I'm going to tear that up. I'm going to tear it up, y'all.
Yeah, it's
That's
time.
Gonna get got.
It's time for us to eat.
Listen, we ain't going nowhere the rest of the day.
No.
Because it's snowy outside. We done had about 6 inches of snow.
Mm-hmm.
And I done seen Facebook pictures of people slid off in the ditches.
All
and
the things, honey.
yeah, our friend Andrea, she posted a mail lady, somebody done, don't
Yeah,
park
that
there,
guy.
didn't park there. Yeah, they didn't get hurt. And yeah, we're going to look at the pretty snow out the window. Miss Beverly, you got your snow. There you go. Now, we want it to go away.
Yeah,
Bye-bye
we're
snow.
done.
Yep. No more snow. We're ready for warm weather.
Flip-flops and sunshine, and it just got...
I hope y'all heard that.
We're looking out the window.
I hope y'all heard
just a
that. It's like 70
whirlwind.
mile an hour wind, blizzard, snow, just...
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
We better hurry before we lose electricity.
Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this bowl, y'all. And Hoover, he got blamed for the Depression. Well, if he's blamed for this bowl, it ain't terrible. It ain't. Well, I shouldn't even say that. It's actually really good. For $5, you ain't going to beat it.
You can't.
I'll tell you that right now.
And if you've got other little things in your kitchen, you can put a little cheese on it. You can
It's really good,
put a
just
little
like that.
butter. You can put a little butter in it. A little piece of butter always goes good. And pasta dishes. But you can season it up with
I tell you what.
Italian, whatever you want to.
Y'all gonna say, I don't eat much bread, but you put that between 2 pieces of white bread, that's a good sandwich. That'll be a good.
Now, that's my
that sounds in her lane.
I can make a sandwich out of it.
But you could make a sandwich out of that. You really could. That'd go good between 2 pieces of white bread right there.
I almost got just a roll of crusty bread. That would have been excellent. Just rub a little olive oil and little garlic powder on it, honey, and toast it, or just eat it plain. But anyway, he's saying just some white bread.
Yeah.
That's my kind of.
Hey, I'm telling you.
My kind of thing right there.
You had what you had back in them days, but this ain't. Hey, don't knock it till you try it, y'all.
Yep.
And
normally I wouldn't even buy the tomatoes. I got my tomatoes on it canned. So this could really, really be a cheap meal for us because I do have my vegetables and stuff jarred.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, it's not bad at all. It's delicious. It is filling.
Cheap.
It is cheap. Yes.
$5
stretch that dollar to a holler.
52 cents, y'all.
Yep.
$5
Listen, you can't even get maybe a large fry.
That's a kid's meal.
Yeah.
You can't even get a Happy Meal.
No,
that's probably more than that's probably less than a Happy Meal now.
And it made a big pot.
A whole bit. Ain't no telling how many servings is in that pot.
In fact, he videoed it after I had dipped his bowl out.
Yeah,
so
it goes a long way. Long way. So yeah.
But anyway.
Plenty to feed your family. The corn's got good crunch. I meant to say that too. It's a little different texture. Very good, y'all. Very good.
You know, I started to go with cream corn because I figured it would thicken it up. But it really, if you just let it go for a little bit, and I kept stirring it in my Dutch oven, things stick. I would have honestly browned the hot dogs first with a little oil, but they were sticking, and I was like, I'm gonna mess them up. So I just started putting stuff in it. But if you brown those little hot dogs and get that even more flavor.
Tastes good to me.
But it is good anyway.
It's really good. I mean, the hot dogs are cooked anyway, so
they're
they're really good.
And for $1, listen, a pack of hot dogs will go a lot further than you think.
Yeah.
With my kids, honey, we had some stuff.
Cut them up. They go a long way, man.
We had hot dog casseroles.
Yeah, we have some hamburger, hot dog, cheese, and a casserole. Now we did. That's the truth.
We had some casseroles.
And we love hot dogs. Ain't nothing wrong with hot dogs at all, man. I'm telling you.
And that proves that you can get the $1 ones, and it's still fine.
It's fine. It tastes great. It tastes great. Ain't nobody know that. I'm telling you, a hot dog is it's you cannot. But I'm telling you now. If you didn't show people this receipt and you just made this, and people ate it, they'd be like, "Man, this is good. I would have never thought this would go together." That is nothing at all.
It's good.
It's very on a day like today when it's cold outside and snowing. Fantastic.
Yes, and we're about to get in it for real. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for hanging in there with us and watching these. Let me know what you think about them. If you're enjoying them, I won't, do them for the rest of my life or nothing like that. But if you're enjoying them, we'll still do a few of them. But anyway, thank y'all so much, and big hugs and loves to everybody. If y'all getting some bad weather, I'm sorry. Y'all stay warm.
We do have one update.
What is it?
Our little puppy.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Everything, all her tests and stuff came back.
Yes,
she's good.
benign.
Everything's good. All the masses were benign, so she's good.
She's good. And y'all, we were so worried about this little pooch. She was laying around. She was not doing. And all 6 of our little sugar babies come and spent the night with us last Friday night, and she is so jealous. Honey, she's up. Oh, she's all over the place. And ever since then, she's been
completely turned around.
She has been.
She's been herself again.
She is. So she's doing good. Thank y'all for the prayers.
Yeah, the prayers and
the
people that reached
comments.
out. Yep, she's back to herself.
So Renfro's on the mend.
Yep, she gets her stitches out next week.
Yes.
And everything came back good. So
So
we're happy about that.
Yes. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much, and until next time.
Peace.